And let the air out. Let the shoulders come down. Don't hold your breath. More. Look straight. Turn your head. Other way. There it is.
My neck and my back.
Right there. That's good. So when I turn here, you see how like it kind of just gets stuck right there? What we have to do is actually go towards that stuck.
That sounded so good though. That sounded so good though.
All this right here?
That's good. Yeah, you relaxed right where we needed to. Loosen this here. Drop more.
That's good.
The sound effects in my head.
It's like good crap.
Oh my God.
Does that hurt at all when I'm doing this?
Good.
What the?
You felt it?
Did I feel it?
So
I
good.
felt it. I heard it. I kind of tasted it a little bit. But
Oh, sorry, let me take this.
That felt so good.
You can stay down there for a minute.
I want to feel it all through my body.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.